The best deal, in my opinion, they have at Gold Coast for gambling is this table right here. $5 00 roulette, live roulette. If you could just combine a few different casinos, you'd really have some good gaming. $5 for this electronic craps. Traditional table electronic. Ooh, $5 live craps right here. Another $5. They're both $5. $5 live craps. That's really, really rare. South Point has it, but you know, that's not close, really. $5. Plenty of seats available for $5 live roulette. Plenty of space at the $5 craps table. Okay, $10 blackjack 6 to 5 is the best you're gonna do on blackjack. The rest of the stuff's pretty good. Roulette and craps, that's the place to play right here. Stadium baccarat, $5. Ooh, this is the new restaurant. What's the name of this? Charter 75 Modern Kitchen. Oh, it's set up like a sports bar. Nice. Charter 75 Modern Kitchen. Brand new. Yeah, Gold Coast has a lot to offer on their restaurants all of a sudden. Well, that's according to me, because I even include the concession stand at the bowling alley. I call that a restaurant.
Let's stop by the office real quick.
Just don't tell any women that that's not a restaurant.